In this video we can talk about top 5 Close CRM alternatives and competitors. Welcome to Alternatives Q channel. Today we are here to give you a glance of the best alternatives to Close CRM. If you are looking for alternatives to Close CRM, the all-in-one CRM tool for growing teams, today you will get to know about the top 5 Close CRM alternatives, which include Salesforce CRM, Pipedrive, Monday.com, Zoho CRM, and SAP CRM that will help boost your business performance. Our first alternative is Salesforce CRM. Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM software designed for businesses of all sizes. It offers features like lead and opportunity management, sales forecasting, and collaboration tools. The software provides excellent customization capabilities, making it easy for businesses to tailor the software to their specific needs. One of the standout features of Salesforce CRM is its advanced reporting capabilities and integration with third-party apps. Second alternative is Pipedrive. Pipedrive is a sales management tool that helps businesses organize their sales processes and improve their overall efficiency. It offers features like manage leads and deals, track communications, automate and grow, and mobile apps and integrations with Pipedrive. Sales teams can quickly move their leads through the sales funnel while minimizing wasted time and resources. Its standout feature is its visual sales pipeline, which enables businesses to visualize their sales process and track their progress through the pipeline. Third alternative is Monday.com. Monday.com is an innovative workOS platform that allows teams to easily create customized workflows to manage any aspect of their business. It offers features like task management, business operations, resource management, and goals and strategy. It provides a flexible and user-friendly interface for businesses of all sizes and industries to cater to their unique requirements and simplify complex tasks with ease. One of the standout features of Monday.com is its diverse range of customizable templates tailored to specific industries and use cases. Fourth alternative is Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM is a highly intuitive online sales CRM software designed for small to large businesses. It offers features like Canvas Design Studio, process management, sales enablement, and predictive sales. This tool allows businesses to predict sales revenue by analyzing past sales data and identifying trends. One of the standout features of Zoho CRM is its AI-powered sales assistant, Zia, that can predict outcomes and even automate mundane tasks. Our first alternative is SAP CRM. SAP CRM is a platform designed to help businesses of all sizes manage their customer relationships and improve their overall customer service. It offers features like sales automation, marketing automation, and customer service. The software is best suited for large businesses and provides excellent customization capabilities to meet their specific needs. Its standout feature is its ability to provide a comprehensive view of customer interactions across multiple channels, allowing businesses to tailor their approach and strengthen customer relationships. Compared to Close CRM, Salesforce CRM offers a more robust feature set. While Pipedrive is more focused on sales automation, Monday.com, on the other hand, is a collaborative operating system that processes more efficiently. Zoho CRM offers a wide range of customization options. Lastly, SAP CRM is an enterprise-level solution best suited for large businesses. If you're looking for a comprehensive CRM solution that offers both sales and marketing automation capabilities, we recommend Pipedrive as the best alternative to Close CRM. Pipedrive's visual sales pipeline is a standout feature that enables businesses to track their sales progress easily. With features like deal tracking, lead management, and sales reporting, Pipedrive provides an excellent all-in-one sales solution. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.